I went 17 hours non-stop. I started early in the morning with some fitness personal training clients, and then I gotta get my lift or change in, right? So I gotta get my workout in, and then I gotta get my lift or change in for my brain. So then I started to study for the NPTE, and I went to tutor different students in their DPT program on their orthopedic skills to take pictures, graduation pictures for my classmates, because graduation was coming up in a couple days. And then after that, I went to volunteer my time at youth at my church. Whew, what a day. If y'all want to see what a productive day looked like for me in DPT school, then let's get it poppin'. Wait, I'm not done yet. Hey, challenging any one of y'all, dance battle. You all know that I love to dance. So if y'all want to dance and challenge me, upload a video and tag me. Hashtag LFCDanceBattle. Oh, I'll see you there. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Justin Lee, Doctor of Physical Therapist. Here you'll find videos on fitness, physical therapy, and lifestyle that helps inspire self-change. This channel is all about lifting others and lifting weights. So let's lift for change, people. If any of this resonates with you, feel free to subscribe and hit those notifications. All right, so this video is all about what I did in my entire productive 17-hour day. This was December 10th, 2019, a little bit before when we were about to graduate, which is why I was about to take graduation photos for my classmates. Life as a student DPT isn't just studying. If y'all tryna hustle, that is. A hustling DPT life looks like studying with investments in other areas of life, such as improving health, improving others, and making some cash money. Shameless plug, if you haven't seen my video on making money as a DPT student, you should definitely check that out or in the description. Okay, here we go. A productive day as a DPT student. It all starts with a classic sunrise with some coffee. The roast of that coffee smells so good. You're driving on the freeway with some acoustic music. Alright y'all, it is about 6:30 in the morning. Today is all about hustling. Wanted to hop on the vlog and just kind of show you the days that I hustle, and I'll show you what I mean today. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm on my way to go train right now at the gym. I'm gonna go train there and then go work out there. And then just after I work out there, then I'm gonna go study there for a little bit because I have a little bit of a break. And then I have to head over to APU to go tutor some students, right? And then after I have to come back, train again. And then I have my volunteering time with the middle school. So that's my day. I'll show you how it goes. Let's go! Burn, burn, burn. Let's go. Trying to keep her knee straight. It's been constantly going in valgus and she's been having some knee pain, but we've been working on it. Now we can do split lunges, dynamic lunges, reverse lunges, lunges to knee up, side to side, building her strength. 6, baby. So we've been trying to get Yuli's bench up. We've been training for a while. We're so close to 2 plates, one RM, max RM. So I have like a week left with Tim. So I'm trying to just work on some strength while we can. Come on. Don't make me stop this video to spot you. Woo! There you go. Good job. All on your own, big boy. Let's go. That's it. When you hit 10, let me know. All right, put it down. All right. Now get the double whammy, super set. Make sure you keep your elbows nice and high. That's it. Slide down a little bit. Yep, towards your feet so your head's resting. And keep your elbows steady. That's it. Yep, 10 to 15 if you can. You should feel a big burn here. What is this called? Yeah, you are trying right now for the triceps. Lame. Alright, good. One more. Good job. Alright, get the biceps. Alright, let's try 10.
Is it 1 out of 10?
No, just both. Yeah. All right. I'm going to tutoring after this. Say good luck at tutoring.
Good luck at tutoring. Justin, I want you to bring your foot all the way to your butt for me. Any pain with that?
Yeah, it's a little
pain?
hurts, yeah.
Is it stiff or
Kind of both.
both? Okay, I'm gonna overpress you a little bit, okay?
All right.
Any pain here?
Yeah, that hurts a little bit, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have you relax. I'm gonna have to put your foot on here. Go ahead and bring your foot all the your knee down to the table.
Yeah, that feels fine, no problem.
Measurement, no pain?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna overpress you. Ready?
Okay.
Anything here?
Nope.
Here?
Nope.
Here?
Nope. That's good. Oh shoot. Dude, I just got my cap and gown. It's coming this week. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, we're about to go shooting. We got Caitlin, we got Ashley, and Emery. We're gonna do some grad photos today. All right, so now I'm at church with the middle school crew. This is a YouTube video.
It's a YouTube video.
Christmas decorations coming up. Say hello, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Max. It's nice to meet you.
It's funny when people get shy behind the camera when they're really so loud.
I'm so loud!
And that pretty much wraps it up. Wraps it up. You know what's up. Don't you just love it when you just cross out stuff on your checklist? If any of you are like this, give this a thumbs up or comment, yes, checklist me. I believe in you, let's get it. I hope this video helped inspire some self-change to make some near future days productive and to get ahead, all right? Change people, change people. That's why we lift for change people. Stay lifting. Have a great one, you guys.